In this video, we're going to be talking about what the hell just happened to crypto. We're going to talk about my price predictions from my previous videos. And did Bitcoin really just drop all the way down and fill the CME gap? We're going to talk about Bitcoin, what the hell happened, where it's going. We're also going to be talking about XRP and what happened to it as well. We're going to dig into the charts. So if that's something you're interested in, smash that like button. Let's get it. Welcome back to Crypto Matt, guys. Thanks for joining me. About a week or so ago, I released a video about Bitcoin and where we were, where we might go. I had a bullish scenario and also a bearish one of a major dip that I predicted a little over a week ago. Let's go ahead and take a look at that. What seems to be happening is on the weekly chart, we are starting to form what looks to be an M pattern. Now, these patterns are not bullish. They are very bearish. Now, if we break this neckline at about 93,125, we can see a downturn all the way down to about $80,000. Okay, and as you guys can see, we broke the $93,000 line here. That support was crucial. We broke through it. As you can see, it completely plummeted after that. We busted straight through support at 89,000, and we came all the way down to my previous prediction of about 80,000. So where could we be heading now? Well, this is what I'm seeing so far is a good pattern playing out. We got a nice V-shaped recovery. That is always, I can't say always, but 90% of the time this means a reversal trend. We are on a downtrend, as you can see right here. We are on a downtrend, and this really, we are on a downtrend, and this really bust out of the downtrend. That is good. That means the reversal is confirmed. So all we got to do is stay above this line. A probability we might come back down and retest this previous resistance turned support. If we do, we should get a bounce. Now, if you know anything about patterns, which I'm going to make a video about chart patterns, I suggest that you try to memorize them because they can give you a very, very good idea where the market can go. So what I see here, to me, it looks like a inverse head and shoulders pattern. Now what's supposed to happen next is this neckline should pump up maybe a little bit more. I would say maybe come down and do a little bit of this action, and then probably something like this, and then we're going to skyrocket. And why I say that is because that would confirm a shoulder, a head, a shoulder. I've seen these patterns play out plenty of times. It's one of the most obvious ones to point out. This is an inverse head and shoulders. A regular head and shoulders is very bearish. Is very bad. So that's what it looks like here as well. You see, guys, that is a very good recovery and a signal from a reversal from a downtrend. As you see, I could have connected it further up here. But as you can see, it is a downtrend. We broke through this. That is good news. I think Bitcoin is going to start going up from here. That's my opinion. And we got a good recovery right here. That is very good news. High volume, everything. And that could have been institutions, could have been banks. We don't know yet. It just happened. But that's what it looks like for Bitcoin right now. I believe we're at least coming back up to this $90,000 range. Now, we dipped all the way down, guys, to like $78,000. And it's up to 84,000 now. Now, I'm not going to lie to y'all. Let me jump into XRP. Now, with XRP, it looks the same because altcoins follow Bitcoin. It's kind of the crypto market kind of all follows the same graph. So as you can see, XRP's got a recovery here too. But what I said in my previous videos was, I mentioned many a times, if we didn't stay above this, let me get close. Let me get a little closer. Here we are. Yeah, this is the one we was already on. But I said in the beginning we needed to get above 268 around right here, and we didn't. We dropped below that, broke support, bounced off of support, and I told you guys right here in my previous video um, that this was going to happen. If we didn't get enough momentum right here to make the W shape, to make this W shape for the win, if we didn't get that, then we might come back down here, and we've done hit it so many times that once you hit the glass so many times, it will break. Look what happened, guys. It broke. Crazy broke. And I said if it breaks, we could see $2, possibly $1.80 is what I said in my previous videos. So let's take a look at that right now. We'll get back to this. XRP isn't looking very good. As I've said in previous videos, we were in the symmetrical triangle. We needed to get out of it and break above this 268 resistance line. We could not. As a matter of fact, we broke this long, very long support line, which gave us a nice dip all the way down to our next support line around 243. We could not hold it. We dropped down, bounced off of the $2.15 support, which supposedly was strong. Now, we got a good bounce off of it. That's why I say it was strong. And now we are coming back down to retest it. Now, guys, this is bearish and bullish at the same time. Give me a minute to explain. If we get a bounce off of here, right here, that will be what we call a double bottom, which is the opposite of double top. It's a W. W patterns are for the win. So, possibly what this could do is it could boost us back up to and give us a chance to hit this this $2.42 resistance line, and hopefully get over that. Close a weekly candle over that, and that will mean XRP is still on for this bull run. Now, if we do not get another bounce off this, like it seems like we have, but if it goes to come back down and we break this support line, guys, it is not looking good. Not looking good for the short term. Long term, XRP is a utility token. It's going places in my opinion, but right now the only place it'd be going is $2. So, and as you guys can see, we did break the glass. We came down. We got a nice recovery. Now we got rejected at this $2.15 resistance line. Now was very strong support. It was the glass ceiling we broke. Now a new glass ceiling is up. We need to break through this. If we can get over this, and what I think is going to happen is just like Bitcoin, I think inverse head and shoulders, inverse head and shoulders. This should come up and play out just like this, but the opposite way. And then we should get another chance to hit $2.42. So that is my prediction for XRP. Now, all the other bearish ones happen to fall. I do not think that we are going any lower than this. So unfortunately, guys, I don't have a bearish scenario. I honestly don't. $1.80 was the last place I was going to go. And let's see. Oops, sorry about that. And we hit $1.95 and got a strong bounce. It bounced hard. So, I mean, that's good news, guys. I think XRP is just going up from here. As a matter of fact, at about 1:30 this morning, I was on my social media with a very, very old friend of mine. He's like my brother, called Jelly. His name's Ivo, but I love it. I love the guy. He's just really sweet guy. He's got a hot sauce coming out. I'm going to put the link in my description. I talked to him. I told him I was buying XRP and the whole nine at that time at $2 because I told him it's only going up from here. Here we are. So, Jelly, if you're watching, I told you so. Anyways, if you guys like the content and you dig it, please smash that like button, subscribe. Check out my latest video in the top left. You can subscribe to me on the right. I also have playlists you can watch with all my videos and shorts in the bottom left. And until next video, guys, take care of yourself and each other.